This section on why most students quit school and how to avoid it. Let me be honest with you. Many students in Nigeria start a business with high hope, selling data, clear fear, doing makeup, calling POS, and even dropshipping online. But a few months later, they killed. Why? This video, I'm not just going to explain why they killed. I will show you how you can avoid becoming part of that sad statistic. Number 1, lack of time management. Most students jump into business without first learning how to manage their time. They end up missing class or worse, failing tests. Then fear creep in. Am I choosing money over my future? So they quit. Number 2, unrealistic expectation. They thought they would blow in 2 weeks. One guy started selling perfume online. And because it didn't make 10 sales in a week, he stopped. But this does not work like that. Not in school, not outside. Number 3, lack of support. Nobody to encourage them, teach them, or even believe in them. Their roommates laugh at them. Their friends think they are wasting time. And in a country like Nigeria, where pressure is always too much, they give up. Number 4, no clear why. Some students don't know why they were started in the first place. They saw someone else doing it and followed. So when trouble comes, they run. And last one, burnout. Trying to be a student and entrepreneur with no rest, no system, no balance, that's the fastest road to frustration. But here is the good news. You can succeed in business and still graduate with good grades. I'm going to show you how. Number 1, start with a clear purpose. Ask yourself, why am I starting business? If it's just money, it will last. Tie it to something bigger, helping your family, solving a problem, or building something for your future. Number 2, choose your skills or business that fit your schedule. Don't sell shawarma if your course requires long hours in the lab. Pick flexible skills like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, graphic design, or content creation. Things you can do from your phone, from anywhere. Create a simple timetable. Allocate time for studies and time for business. Use Google Calendar or even simple notebook to track your week. Remember, if you don't plan your day will plan you. Build a support circle. Find other students, join communities, watch videos like this, and follow people who share real business experience. You don't need cheerleaders, you need accountability. Start small and be consistent. Don't rush. Even if you only make 2,000 naira per week, be consistent. That's how you go. Many students quit because they want fast money, not smart money. Your business doesn't have to die because you're in school, and your grade doesn't have to die because you're in business. You can win both, but only if you are intentional. So instead of quitting, why not try again, but smarter this time? Don't just hustle with sense. Like this video if it helped you, share it with a fellow student, and don't forget to subscribe. We have more real talk coming your way, just for students like you. Watch next, how to balance schooling and business without failing either. Check in the description box, I will drop the link there. Subscribe for weekly content on student business, scholarship tips, and youth entrepreneurship in Nigeria.